Hey guys, welcome back to the ConfermentRM YouTube channel. Hope you guys are having a wonderful day getting ourselves back into Bitcoin 2-minute technicals price chart. And as you can see, look at that. We kind of came back today, actually hit almost smack dab that 786 around $26,898. Kind of not getting to the full target we were expecting to the bottom side of this trend, but it doesn't mean that right now it doesn't reject and push further to the full target of hitting that trend line on the bottom here. But trend lines are also easily invalidated. But as you can tell, we did get our push through the 20-day moving average yesterday, and then as I said last night, if we wanted to keep that momentum, we would have had to keep the 20-day moving average as a support, and then we could have moved forward and actually get through the 50-day eventually. But as you can see, we did fall through it in the morning and now have wedged itself below it. So what we're going to wind up doing now is kind of zooming it in a little bit, coming from the top half right here. See, like this. So we can get rid of this trend line. We don't need that anymore. And we can kind of keep that one for reference, and we can keep this one too. What we're going to wind up doing now is we have this sort of playing out, this white line here, and this one looks like it comes out to around Wednesday around 12 o'clock. And what we usually do, guys, is we take the last time it hit the top of the triangle right here, and right there you can see that it'll have a retracement up there to around, $27,407. And then you have a larger move looking at if it were to actually complete that and actually get through $27,400, you'd have a retracement up there to around that 100-day moving average, around 27,680 to 27,750, just about, hitting the top of the range here. Because then it could actually start forming a parallel channel, pushing itself upwards, as you guys would know, would look something more like, let's see, is it over here? Like right there. It looks something more like this, like that, because that could happen. But I'm going to leave that there just as like an if, and, or but. But, we kind of were expecting a retrace back down here to around that, 786. This, in longevity-wise, isn't terrible because you see you pushed up, got rejected, came back down to the 786, and now is your kind of determining factor if you're going to actually get the full move up there to the 1618 again and continue onwards to try hitting this 200-day moving average. But here is where you're going to find out if we're just going to wind up flopping over on ourselves and getting that first target down there to around 26,500, and then afterwards getting to around that 26,200 around the same time we were over here on the 12th, and then falling, accordingly downwards. But this is what we're going with at the moment, looking for a larger move happening tomorrow midday. So we'll see how it goes. Hope you guys are having a good morning, afternoon, evening, wherever you are. I appreciate every single one of you. Remember, none of it's financial advice. I appreciate you guys spending the time to watch the video, and I'll see you guys on the next one.